This is Night Alive on 96.5.
Hey guys, Zach here. Thanks for watching our video. When you learn how to drive, learning to use the car horn is a lot like learning a whole new language. Today we're going to teach you a few basic car horn phrases. Mikey's going to beep out a few basics and I'll translate those into English. Hey, there's some people I know. The light's green. I'm angry. Oh yeah, I'm really angry. Hey, I just really enjoyed that dinner we're having. I hope you get home okay. I'm just leaving the car park now. Hungry Hungry Hippos is very underrated. I just got my horn fixed and I am enjoying this. I just ate a Jaffa I found on the floor. I don't remember when it's from. I sort of think Justin Bieber's pretty cool. I only learnt dragons weren't real this morning. Where's the nearest drive chute? Sorry, no. He's missed that inflection. I think he means drive through. See how it went up at the end? It's meant to go down. Where's the nearest drive through? I'm getting really sick of this horn thing. I think the neighbors are getting sick of this sound. If you don't move, I'm gonna run you over. Hey, whoa, hey, what? Whoa, hey, what are you doing there? You said that you're cool for this. Where are you?